A man's true character is measured not in the way he treats his associates and people and friends, but by the way he treats his subordinates and those below him. Yan po nanay ko. Siya po yung maaasahan, siya po yung defender. Siya po siyang tagapagtanggol nung mga nasa baba. Kaya po noong pinaparusahan po kami kapag minsan, siyempre mga makukulong ka. Yung takot niya sa impyerno ay gano'n na lang. Ayaw niyang naging na impyerno, kaya nung bata pa kami, sabi niya, mas mabuting niya
Salamat po.
My mom was from Fiskaradat, Howard Yeshiva, married to one of the best school for seniors. But my grandmother was Carmen Alvaro Yeshiva, married to Japanese. His name is Umachu Yeshiva, but became a Christian name, Bienvenido, in Africa. And my mom, she was the eldest among the siblings in her generation, the first generation. But it wasn't a fruitful generation, it was a Yeshiva generation on my father's side. But we talk only about my mom. So,
okay. No one lives for oneself, no one dies for himself, but we live with the Lord.
And you go hands, Father, mercy, and our sister, coming back home. That you was himself in holy together with all who have died in Christ. See the rising in on the last day. We give you thanks for the blessing which you have